These Avery Multi-Use Removable Labels 61113 offer a very practical size for everyday organizing, with each white rectangle giving enough space for clear handwriting while still fitting neatly on folders, bins, and jars. The adhesive holds firmly to common smooth surfaces like paper, cardboard, plastic, and glass, so labels stay put in storage areas, classrooms, and offices without peeling at the corners. Because these labels are designed specifically for handwriting rather than printing, they are ideal for quick notes, temporary instructions, and on-the-fly relabeling during moves or seasonal storage changes. The large quantity in each bulk package makes this set well-suited for high-volume users such as schools, warehouses, and busy households that label many containers and files. A reusable plastic container keeps the sheets protected from dust and damage, making it easy to toss the pack into a supply drawer or bag without the labels getting bent or dirty. Overall, these labels are a dependable choice if you want simple, non-printable stickers that are easy to write on, stay where you place them, and come in a generous supply for long-term use.